It's almost go day. I was just telling Kelly that it takes more to strap down these bicycles than it does the Can-Am.
Yeah? It's easier to get in here, though, than the Can-Am.
Well.
Yeah. Because, of course, we haven't done it in a year. I don't know how it's going to be when we do put the Can-Am in the back. It'll be fun.
But I got 4 things to strap down now versus just 1. So, anyway. We're leaving tomorrow.
Yes.
It was windy as heck today.
It still is. Yeah, still pretty windy.
Still blowing a little bit.
3, 2, 1, action.
But tomorrow is supposed to be really nice. So it's going to be a good travel day.
Should be a good day.
And then we're going to have Mike and Pam with us.
Yep.
So that's even better to have besties with you.
We've enjoyed our time here. Obviously we got some service done, but we got a chance to see Mary Jo and Alicia and Slade.
Yes.
The gang.
Got to hang out with them for a couple times.
Yeah, it's been good.
Yeah.
It's been good. And I went over and topped off Big Red today. Oh my goodness.
And the wind was a little windy.
It was a little breezy and it was a lot expensive.
But you paid just a little over $4 a gallon for diesel. So I hate to say it, that's not bad, because right now it's not a bad price.
So I topped it off. So that won't get us clear back to Montana, but I think we looked at our prices, and I think we'll just top off in Albuquerque, and that'll get us all the way back to Montana. So we'll do it that way.
Yeah. And hopefully by then the prices will come down a little bit.
Hopefully. Yep. Just got to wait it out, I guess.
Yes, we do.
So I'm just going to strap these down. The office is already put together. The computer's up. Desks are up.
Desks are up, which is kind of cool.
So I'll just strap these down, and we're going to try to get out of here. For us, it's early, 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
We're going to try to get out around 8. We've got about probably with stops, we've probably got a 9-hour day tomorrow, because Mike and Pam have got the dogs.
Right.
So we'll have to
stop and
let
them
stop
go potty.
We'll top off our fuel in Albuquerque. And we're going to stay at a casino parking lot tomorrow, and then on to Vegas the next day.
I'm pretty much done with all of my things. Just have to do everything in the morning to put everything in the sink.
Yep.
And make the bed and put everything in the truck.
All right, TV antenna's off. Water pump I'm going to shut off. Hot water heater is off. Furnace and AC is off. Cupboards have been checked. Microwave plate.
Yes.
Chairs are set. Dishwasher.
Yes.
Refrigerator.
Yes.
Okay, the ramp doors are closed. Garage door is closed. Did you open any of these cabinets? Do we need to? Yeah, you got a drawer that's part open there. Let's just go.
Check it all.
Yeah.
Okay, these are good.
Okay.
All right.
You ready?
Yes, sir. Everything up. Do the morning ritual. sure everything is locked and loaded. $7:36. We want to get out of here by 8. I think we're gonna make it. Mike and Pam are ready to get hooked up. They're over there. There goes Mimi. Right. Get my radio on. Our radios have not been working that great lately. I think it's time to get new ones. Here we go. May have to bring it down. Come to your left a little bit, or your, you know. Yeah, I gotta come down a little bit. You're in. I tell you, it's nice having that camera back there. He can go right into it. Sometimes he doesn't even need me. Hi, can you guys get by there?
I think we can, but we didn't know if you wanted to get by us.
No, go ahead.
No, go ahead. No.
We're just going to get on
We can always
40
switch.
westbound.
40 westbound is where we're going.
All right. Well, when Jim can, he can get ahead of us. That way
That's
he
fine.
knows where he's going.
Yeah, no problem. Yeah, go ahead. So go ahead and go.
All right.
All right, turn your CB on.
Do what now?
Turn your CB on.
Turn your CB on. All right.
All right.
Thank you.
All right. Bye.
I was by order of Neil holding pattern.
Okay.
All right. Well, 2 of us got out.
Oh, the others are still dumping.
Take the exit on the right to I-40 west toward Amarillo.
It's 8:11. We're a little later than we wanted to be.
Jeez.
I know, 11 minutes.
Oh, that was fun.
We were visiting.
Yeah, that was good.
Visiting with our new friends, so
Yep.
that was really good. So here we go. And where we're going?
Sky City Casino.
Sky City Casino.
Scheduled there at 3 o'clock.
Oh, that's nice. All right, come along.
The shadows were dancing on the building's golden light when sunset glow. Bustling streets and busy traffic, walking hand in hand on our way home. The roads were drawn like something certain, every turn laid out so clear. Felt like love, looked like forever, but I fear we had a paper town. Look good till the ink ran out. I guess we ended too soon. We painted bright blue skies. You were never truly mine. Our map's been torn in two. This paper town. This paper town. The streets don't feel like home now. All the colors faded, slowly turned to gray. And I thought we had it figured out, but it's just another town with we chased have all been broken. Every path disappeared. Felt like love, looked like forever, but we're here. We had a paper town, look good till the ink ran out. I guess we ended too soon. We painted bright blue skies. You were never truly mine. Our map's been torn in two. This paper town. This paper town. This paper town. Oh, this paper town. This paper town. Maybe we were built too goddamn thin, drawn in lines that fade too fast. I swore this town would pull us in, but nothing here was made to last. We had a paper town, look good till the ink ran out. I guess we ended too soon. We painted bright blue skies. You were never truly mine. Our map's been torn in two. This paper town. This paper town. This paper town. This paper town.
Well, we're coming into Albuquerque. Mike and Pam had a little situation. He's got a 50-gallon auxiliary tank, and he went to switch it, and it wouldn't switch. So he pulled off in a rest area and tried to fix it. Thought it was a clogged filter, put it back together, and it still isn't working. So I guess we're gonna pull into a truck stop up here, and he's gonna put some fuel in and see if he can't fix it. And that's the nice thing about traveling with friends, isn't it?
That's right. That's right. We're here for you, Pam and Mike. They said, just keep going. We're like, no, we're in this together.
Yeah, we're only 83 miles from our destination. It's been a good travel day, though.
It has.
It's been really good. The weather's
been
a little bit of wind
perfect.
out of the south, but not too bad.
Yeah,
A lot of truck traffic.
lots.
But Albuquerque is always nice to come into. So we're gonna pull off up here while they fuel up, and he looks at his auxiliary tank and see what he can figure out. We've got plenty of fuel. I'm gonna try to make it. Should be able to make it. I'll have to do the math, but I think I can make it to Vegas from here.
Very cool. That would be really cool if you could do that.
Yep. So we're just gonna pull off wherever they decide to pull off and try to fix stuff. But it's been a good day. We've been on time.
Yeah, yeah. Other than this little snafu, everything's been good.
Yeah. But again, that's why it's fun to travel together.
That's right. That's right. Okay, we stopped again.
Yeah, it's a Love's, and it's tight.
Yeah, it's pretty small.
Yeah, I'm just afraid I'm going to be blocking people trying to get out. So, yeah, there was no truck parking here. It was just fuel pumps. And I can't park on the side of the street over here because it says no parking. So I'm just going to sit here, and if somebody gets mad, I guess I'll move, huh?
Yeah. Yep.
So hopefully he'll get filled up here quickly and we'll get on the road.
A lot of traffic.
Oh my goodness.
We were trying to get off, and
Well, but we didn't know where we were going either.
we didn't.
Yeah.
We didn't. But we made it.
Take the step. You don't have to wait. Lose that breath. You don't gotta change. Stay on the road, won't you? Stay on the road, you're doing fine. Stay on the road, won't you? Stay on the road, it'll work in time. Don't trust that voice, just let her speak. You got a choice, just let it be. Stay on the road, won't you? Stay on the road, you're doing fine. Stay on the road, won't you? Stay on the road, it'll work in time. Stay on the road. Ooh. Stay on the road. Ooh. Stay on the road, won't you? Stay on the road, you're doing fine.